Okay, let's just be real for a second. The world is changing. Fast. Like, really fast. So how do you, as a business, get ahead of the curve instead of just trying to keep up? Well, today we're going to look at how one company, Mindlytics, they're an AI growth specialist, is trying to answer that. And they kick things off with a pretty big question. Are you really ready for what's next?
And this is where they drop a bombshell. Get this, they're claiming that the amount of change we're going to see in the next 10 years is going to be bigger than all the change in the last 2,000 years combined. I mean, just let that sink in. If that's even a little bit true, it's not just another trend we're talking about. This is a complete rewrite of the rules. It creates a massive sense of urgency.
So that leads us right into what they call the global shift. The point they're making is that this is way bigger than just some new tech. We're talking about the whole economy getting reshaped from the ground up. And what does that mean for you? It means that old playbook you've been using? Yeah, it's not just out of date. It's actually becoming a risk to your business.
And here's the kicker. In this new world, grabbing some generic, copy-paste AI tool off the shelf isn't going to cut it anymore. In fact, they say it's not just an asset, it's a liability. Why? Well, because those one-size-fits-all solutions just can't keep up. They're not built for the kind of complex, custom growth you need today, and they definitely won't scale with you.
Okay, so if the old way is broken, what's the fix? Well, instead of just reacting and plugging in random tools, Mindlytics has this whole philosophy they call orchestration. Think about it. You don't want to be just another musician in the orchestra, right? You want to be the conductor, making sure everything works together in perfect harmony.
And this quote, this really hits the nail on the head. We don't chase growth. We design systems that grow. Let's unpack that for a second. Chasing growth is what most people do. It's that frantic scramble for the next sale, the next lead. It's exhausting. But designing a system that grows, that's totally different. That's about building a smart, self-sustaining engine that works for you, creating its own momentum.
So here's the side-by-side. The old way, it's all about chasing growth with a bunch of separate tools that don't even talk to each other. It's messy. The new way they're talking about, architecting growth, is about building one single smart system where everything is connected, everything works together, all aimed at one thing: strong, sustainable growth. So how do they actually do this? They've got this special framework they call Artigellence. Now, don't get thrown by the fancy name. All it really is their secret sauce, their specific method for mixing the raw power of AI with actual human wisdom and strategy. It's the blueprint they use to build your custom growth system. Okay, that's the big idea, the philosophy, but how does it actually work in the real world? How do you get results? Well, it all breaks down into 4 key pillars, taking you from the initial idea all the way to actually making money. Let's walk through it. First up, Pillar 1, growth and strategy. This is where we figure out the master plan for your expansion. Then, Pillar 2, build and tech. We actually create the stuff you need. Custom AI tools, apps, you name it. Pillar 3 is all about marketing, building a real brand that people connect with. And finally, the big one, Pillar 4, monetization. And what's the whole point of that final pillar? The big goal here is to unlock over 20 plus different connected ways for you to make money. This, they say, is the secret to building a business that can weather any storm. It's about being future-proof.
And this is what that future-proof business actually looks like. You're not just relying on 1 or 2 things anymore. You've got digital products, services, ad money, affiliate deals, the whole shebang. So think about it. If one area takes a hit, it's no big deal because the other streams keep the cash flowing. That's why this is such a game changer.
All right, a system this big sounds, well, expensive, right? And maybe a little risky to jump into. But this is where their whole approach gets really interesting. They've set up a way for you to start that is completely risk-free. It's a pretty confident move, if you ask me.
So you're probably thinking what I'm thinking. What's the catch? There's always a catch, right? For something this powerful, what's the risk to even just check it out?
Their answer? They call it the intelligence test drive. I kind of like that. The whole idea is they prove what they can do for your business first. They show you the value up front, before you ever have to commit to anything. It's all about earning your trust, not just asking for it.
And when they say no risk, they mean it. Here are the terms. You get 4 deep AI-powered growth strategies designed specifically for you. It's 100% free, no credit card, no payment, nothing. There's absolutely no obligation to continue and no tricky lock-in contracts. They literally have to prove their worth to you from day one.
So if you're tired of just reacting and you want to start being strategic, it seems like Mindlytics has laid out a path to do that. And like we just saw, it's a path that starts with zero risk.
So how do you claim those 4 free strategies? It's super simple. You can hit them up on WhatsApp. That's probably the fastest way to get a response. You can also shoot them an email or go see what they're all about on their YouTube channel. All the details are right here for you.
I want to leave you with this one last thought from them, because I think it perfectly wraps up this whole idea. AI without wisdom is noise. Wisdom without AI is slow. See, it's not about tech versus strategy. The real magic, the real success, happens when you bring them together perfectly.
And that brings us right back to the beginning. This massive shift is happening right now, whether we like it or not. So the final question they leave on the table is a simple one. Are you going to just keep reacting to change, or are you going to be the one to architect your future?